Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share to you how do we make the hotcakes or pancakes. So here's the ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup white sugar plus 1/8 cup for dusting, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon yellow food color, and 1/4 cup of margarine or butter. So first, use all the dry ingredients like the sugar and salt, the flour, the sugar, and salt, and mix it together. Mix. In the other mixing bowl, mix together the milk, the liquid ingredients, vegetable oils, and eggs, and then mix it together. We use whole eggs. So, plus a little bit of yellow food coloring. And mix it, stir it, mix it. And look at that, it's very yellow already. That's how the hot cake looks, yellow and looks yummy. So pour in liquid mixtures to flour mix. So pour the liquid to the dry mix and then stir it slowly and then stir it, mix it very good. And in the pan, lightly grease. I use non-stick cooking spray. You can still use margarine. When I was in the Philippines, I use margarine, star margarine. So pour 1 part of butter. You can also use electric griddle if you have one. And when we're ready, flip when bubbles are popped about 1 to 2 minutes with low medium heat. Cook for 30 to 40 seconds after flipping. It's look like this. And you mix some more until the butter is gone. You can make approximately between 5 to 8 pieces in this recipe. You can also make littles for your children. Like children likes to eat a little thing. Some children, they will like it, and it's fun to eat. So a little hotcakes, it's good for little eaters. And then spread the butter or margarine on top of each hotcake, and then sprinkle it with sugars like that to dust it and make it taste really good like that. It's really yummy. It's really good for breakfast. And it's easy to make. So it's gonna be look like this, and it's ready to eat. Have a good breakfast. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel and share this easy hotcake recipe that is really good for breakfast. We'll see you next time. You have a wonderful day. Bye.